Hi, welcome to Cooking at Home. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make some delicious fluffy pancakes that you can make at home from scratch. These pancakes are so much better than the premix boxes, and once you start making this from scratch, you'll never go back. Into a bowl, we're going to add our wet ingredients starting with 1 egg. I like to beat it first before I add any more ingredients so that it gets easily incorporated. Then add 1 1/4 cup of milk, half a teaspoon of vanilla, and mix everything well. I just used a fork to mix everything, but you can use a whisk if you like. Then add 4 tablespoons of melted butter into the liquid mixture. I just melt the butter in the microwave, but you can also melt it on the stove. Just mix everything together and set aside. In a separate bowl, add the dry ingredients, starting with 1 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and half a teaspoon of salt. Then whisk all of the ingredients together. Now we're going to add the liquid mixture to the dry ingredients. Slowly whisk everything together until just combined. Be careful not to overmix the batter or you'll end up with tough and flat pancakes. Your batter will look a little lumpy, and that's okay. Once everything looks combined, let the batter rest for about 10 minutes. If you're using a griddle, you can start preheating it to 350 degrees a few minutes before your batter is done resting. After your batter is done resting, it should look like this, a little bit more fluffy and thicker. I use a 1/3 measuring cup to scoop the batter and pour it onto the griddle. At this point, you can add whatever toppings you like to your pancakes, such as blueberries or chocolate chips. My family really likes blueberry pancakes, so this is when I add some fresh or frozen blueberries, and they come out delicious. Let the pancakes cook for a few minutes, about 3 to 4 minutes, and then the pancakes are ready to flip when you see a lot of bubbles on top. Once you flip the pancakes, just cook them for about 1 to 2 more minutes. Your pancakes should have a golden brown look, just like you see here. I like to use a griddle since I make pancakes for my family often, and the griddle makes it a lot easier and faster when it comes to making pancakes. If you don't have a griddle, you can just use a big pan on the stovetop using medium heat and adjust it as needed. Just make sure to oil or butter your pan before you start making the pancakes. Serve these pancakes warm and use your favorite pancake syrup on top. I really like this agave syrup because it only has 1 ingredient and it tastes amazing. I hope you give this easy pancake recipe a try. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Thanks for watching.